Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is Peloton News Week 7, okay? And before we begin, I wanted to say this is not the only content I will be posting. I have an inspirational video, an inspirational YouTuber I will talk about later on in the video, but that's going to be a short tidbit of this video. Happy New Year, if I didn't say that already, even though we're almost halfway through January. I just want to spread good vibes into this new year because last year, I don't want to compare, but last year was tough for me and I switched schools and I would like to have less stress this year. And also, when it comes to my skincare, I need to establish a better skincare routine because my skincare routine last year was, it was just not it. So I wanted to share my movie list, and the reason why Encanto here is boxed is because this is my number one favorite movie of all time right now, and because Lin-Manuel is a big popular person. The fame has rose beyond its limits. His fame has got high, and what I can take away from his movies is culture, diversity, and music, the enrichment of it. So my first choice isn't The Heights. That's my favorite movie that he's created, but Encanto's my second favorite. I watched it twice and it was amazing. I just want to show a quick clip from it. Oh my goodness, Isabella is no. Shout out to Disney. I actually went to Disney over the Christmas break, yeah. She is so nervous.
Lift it higher. Higher. Camilo, mira no ver Jose. Okay. Luisa, the piano goes upstairs. I'm on it. Careful, sis.
Baby's night has to be perfect, and it's not perfect. And people are going to be coming. And mom is right.
The flower.
Did someone say
Oh my gosh.
flowers?
Our angel.
Please don't laugh.
Thank you.
Oh, it's nothing.
Oh.
A little sisterly advice. If you weren't always trying too hard, you wouldn't be in the way.
Actually, Lisa, this is called helping. And I'm not in the way, you are.
Ooh, see, I know the... Oh my goodness. So 2 new Encanto classes upcoming. You can see Mirabel's face is no. So there's a 30-minute Encanto ride with Robin Arzon, but the timing is just a little bit, no. And the Yoga Flow will be on demand. This ride that will be live, so I'm super excited to take it on Thursday. Or maybe this Friday. Oh my gosh, so this is the shout out. Yes, shout out to her with the peace symbol. Oops. This is our shout out that I wanted to make. These pictures are making me laugh. This picture is hilarious. This is the surprise YouTuber I have been talking about, Lily Singh. Yes, the What Up t-shirt reference, the I Superwoman I on YouTube. This is just the video I wanted to show.
There's just a lot you simply got to know. So, welcome to Family Money Dollar.
That'll never stop. Whoa.
We don't talk about you, no. Firewood moves the mountains. I just made something unexpected.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm super duper excited to be sharing this slide that has 3 different things on it. Apparel, I bought some and it came this week. David Bowie, and college advice. And this is not college advice, this is fitness college advice, okay? Fitness college advice. First, with the apparel. So, this is the apparel that I ordered. I don't have many pictures of me wearing it, but I have pictures of like what's on the website. So I bought this jacket for the freezing cold weather. I bought a tank top. It's a spiritual gangster. I bought this pink tank top, these pants, and inside it's actually constellation themed, and these. There's a bra that goes with it as well. Now going back to the David Bowie. Alright, so I believe, where did I talk about David Bowie? Okay, so there is an article about it, and it talks about, I don't understand what this is. St. Vincent, Honey to Helen, Toki Monster. Still in zero when I said it out loud. So basically, there's a collection on Peloton's website here. And what this is, they have a, make it bigger. Alright. Because the internet wants to be slow today, yeah. Ooh, not this one. David Bowie is here. So there's an upper body strength with Ben Albus. There's a walk plus run, a run, a cool down ride. This ride is Jess King, which she had to make it like, I don't know how many times, like 10. There's a stretch and a yoga. So that is what the collection is. This is him right here with his mic. College advice, I would recommend this. It's fitness college advice. And it's an article here, which the link is right here. It's also in the description as well. Find an activity you enjoy. So it talks about the beginning. During a tough circuit in a strength class, Peloton instructor Olivia Amato sometimes mentions how she pushed herself through challenging moments as a college field hockey and lacrosse player. Fast forward to today, and she still taps the same forms of motivation that helped her succeed as a student athlete. And then brings it to a separate page. Peloton for student athletes. I was burned out on fitness until I found Peloton. And she was 22. Now she's obsessed with it, so I thought that was super duper inspirational. Find an activity you enjoy, buddy up, do it with a friend. Like the beta sessions, be consistent, keep on doing it. Find your people. Peloton instructor Kristen McGee didn't extend her competitive tennis career from the high school courts to her time at UC Irvine or NYU TIS, but she still found ways to keep active. It turned out that the sense of belonging to something greater was great motivation. Find a community that inspires you to be active and fit, Kristen says. In other words, teamwork makes the dream work. Whether you're running, doing yoga, swimming, you name it. It's not just about accountability, it's about a shared sense of progression together. Just like dare we say, Peloton. So I thought that was so cool. Okay, what was your favorite outfit? Oh, I forgot to ask you guys about this. The top, the bottom, or the jacket for the freezing weather. I really like these because of the geometric shapes, but I don't know about you. Now, I know you guys have been waiting for this. If you go to Peloton's apparel site, which is apparel.onepeloton.com, and you go to the new arrivals tab, there's a drop-down menu. It has it right here, Red to Greatness Collection. Or if you want to do it the harder way, you can go to Peloton's site, okay? If you want to do it the harder way, just go to their main website, okay? And you see that where it says apparel up here? Go up there. Click that. Shop your Peloton Prime with regularly updated apparel. You're going to click on that link. Then you're going to go to the new arrivals. Ride to Greatness 2. So this is starting on Thursday, January 27th. That's the preseason. And you're either Team Activate or Team Validate. Here's how. They are pretty expensive. Team Activate or Team Validate. It even has an article on the blog about each one. Here's the blog post about it. Let me close out of this for a sec. Okay. So it has an image here about the different characteristics: team activate, the hustle knows the limit. Team validate, I see no matter the pressure. The schedule for season 2 is posted on Right. Every Thursday there will be a ride. Remember to add your team hashtag, activate or validate, and buy your merch. Unless you don't want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I would just put your hashtag so he knows whether you activate or validate. And if you're really into it, like if you know you're going to do this every single Thursday, whether it's on demand or live, you can buy the merch. And he is ready. How to win? It's your output. Average combined output. So these are just some things you can buy. So yeah, the jersey, and maybe if you want to get a workout towel, you can also get that. Oh my goodness, so these new cycling shoes are listed at $145. It's crazy. It's not on their apparel site. If you just go to members, which one is it? Peloton.com. It's over here. Okay. And on the drop-down menu up here, it should say something like accessories. Yep, right here. You're gonna click there, and it should say Alto's cycling shoes, something here. See details. You see how they're different. I don't know how they're different than the regular, but I just think it's a lot of money. Oh, the Velcros. So this is different than the regular cycling shoes, because the regular cycling shoes, despite how they're cheaper, it has this clip here. But the Alto cycling shoes are different because they only have 2 Velcro straps, so that's how they are different. You can buy dumbbells and yeah. So the Alto cycling shoes are different because of the Velcro strap. Okay, so this is like my picks of the week, but in a different version, okay? So I took a Disney yoga on Friday. It was with Kristen and Vicky. It was amazing. Unluckily, there was no Encanto music that was played, but luckily, they played Under the Sea, they played some Aladdin, and they played some Gaston music, or Beauty and the Beast music. So this was the playlist of like, this is wrong, this isn't fair to the director of Encanto, or Lin-Manuel. So there was a lot of Crocodile, I don't know what that is, but they played Tangled, Cruella de Vil from 101 Dalmatians, Ariel, so yeah. Okay. Last but not least, the Peloton stock decreased on Friday the 21st. I bought a share of their company, and today it increased, so you never know with stocks. Okay? So I just wanted to show you Peloton today. January 22nd, because January 21st it was decreasing. I actually had to switch the image. If you want to compare it to Apple and Dell, of course, they're both going down. I mean, you can see how bad Apple is. I mean, this is just in one day. So I can click these different tabs here, but these are just screenshots, so it wouldn't necessarily work. Anyway, that is a wrap. LS is out. She is not here right now, like in the room where I'm recording, but LS is out. I wanted to let everybody know it was really nice getting to see everybody again, and I can't wait to see you next time, okay? And no, I don't think we're just gonna do Peloton news. Like, I'll stop at some point, okay? So this Fit Family workout that I did talk about, I will link that in the description, okay? And I will link these articles, but if you just go to blog.onepeloton.com, you should be able to access these articles that I talked about, okay? And the shoes are available at onepeloton.com / accessories / Alto cycling shoes, which I'll link. And it was really nice. You know, the week after MLK Jr. can be difficult for everybody, but we got through it. We did it. Bye.